Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use virtual background on Zoom Android mobile app. So if you update this Zoom workplace, you cannot use a virtual background by Zoom. Usually you can tap on setting, go to meeting settings. You can set virtual background in here. And also if you in the middle of meeting, for example, so you can set your virtual background if you tap on apps here. The virtual background become a third party here, not integrated in Zoom but powered by Pixel. Here you can tap virtual backgrounds and powered by pixels. There are four categories: nature, interiors, art, travel. So you can choose what you want based on your preferences. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the button below. See you in the next video.